I've let the pigs out of the pen to come round up the last of the fall acorns from the front yard. They tend to bounce off my little firewood pile and kind of land around here a lot. I don't think there's going to be any more falling from the trees, so this is just what was left after I blew the leaves around. They're going to round this stuff up, and I'm going to go do some maintenance on the pen. Oh boy, oh boy, don't you bite me. No, you can't bite me. No. Hi, Beans. Hey, Frankie. Well, we got the acorns and the leaves pushed in there, and this will keep them busy. Their little hut is full of leafy bedding. So, I mean, what would a pig do this time of year if it was free? It would be out in the woods with its head down in leaves looking for acorns. So every once in a while I'll throw their feed right in the pile so that it trickles through, and that'll give them something to do, keep them busy. A busy animal is a lot happier than one that's just sitting there bored.